On this video today, we're building a bumper for my friend Joseph Johnson for his GMC pickup truck. So let's get started. Welcome to Kevin's Creations. Not this video of me welding. Okay.
The way we had it was the right way. The bolt goes on backwards, not forward.
So the front of Joseph's truck looks pretty sad right now. I got everything tore off of it, but we're in the process of building him a bumper. So we got all the front end tore off of it. So Joseph's in here doing some grinding. Let's see what you're doing. See what you're doing.
Oh, I'm grinding down these spots. Bringing down these spots for our crossbar. One will go right there. One will go right here. We'll have another straight piece right here in the middle go up. Another straight piece right here go up. We'll have a nice little mesh grill right here. And these pieces right here aim. So it'll go like this, go straight, go like this, a point in the middle, a point in the middle.
All right. Hopefully we can make all that happen.
That's the goal. That's the goal. It's over here. You get the water already plugged up. Let me
Alright, unplug it.
let me get the grinder on real quick. Let's cut one, but I can still run it down. Okay. Same on this side. Drop right down. Looking painless.
Like that right there.
Huh?
Like that right there.
Yeah, I loved it.
Does that look like it's the same distance? Here to here and here to here?
I think we get a tape measure, but looking for you.
We're putting this much of the front end back on there. We're gonna have to do a little trimming in this bottom plastic piece. Getting ready to do that and set it on there and see what it looks like. Got the bumper final welded and getting some paint on it. Looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. I like it.
That's all right. I don't mind it. I don't care if it's not fully flush. As long as they can get in enough to hold straight, that's really all I was worried about. Oh no, that is flush. That is flush. It's really flush.
Painted the grill. Painted this black. This was the same color as the truck, and we had to do a lot of trimming and modifying to get it to go on there. It's good from the side, Joseph.
Huh? Yeah, it looks good. Ooh,
He's getting the fog lights, or he's gonna mount them up there. Getting them on there.
As you painted the front, look, you see I tried to paint the screws black. I should have painted the other part, but I was like, kind of pick and choose your battles a little bit. All needs a little zip tie on something, so it's not really in the way.
He did a little fade spray paint over the GMC that looks pretty cool. Got his other light still on here. I think it looks pretty good.
It's good enough to get it good.
Now you can see all the dirt on the lens of the camera.
Hey, picture my camera.
This is finished product with all the lights on it, mounted on it. Big old bumper now. Thanks for watching this video of building the bumper for Joseph's truck. We used parts that I already had, that I had scavenged from everywhere, stuff I'd brought home from work, so that saved him a little money, and I think what we come up with turned out pretty good. I hope he did too, and hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, like this video, and keep watching Kevin's Creations. Thanks.